Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC electronically with TurboTax. First, ensure you have all your contractor's details, including their name, address, and taxpayer identification number. Open TurboTax and navigate to the Wages and Income section. Look for the Other Common Income category, then select Form 1099 NEC to begin the process. This ensures you are in the right place to accurately report non-employee compensation. Once you're in the Form 1099 NEC section, TurboTax will guide you through entering the required information. Carefully input the payer's details, which is usually your business, and then the recipient's information, your contractor. The most crucial step is entering the non-employee compensation amount from Box 7. Double-check these figures against your physical or digital Form 1099 NEC to prevent errors. Accuracy here is key for proper reporting. After entering all your Form 1099 NEC data, TurboTax will prompt you to review the information. Take your time to ensure everything is correct and matches your records. The software automatically incorporates this data into your overall tax return calculations. Once satisfied, you can proceed with the electronic filing process. E-filing is generally faster and more secure, providing confirmation of your submission quickly. A common issue is missing the filing deadline, which can result in penalties, so mark your calendar. Always retain copies of all your Form 1099 NECs and related documentation for at least 3 years for your records. If you encounter any specific issues, TurboTax offers robust help resources and customer support. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.